Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini with its navigation bar. First, open Gemini on your device. You'll notice the navigation bar, usually positioned on the left side of your screen. This bar is your gateway to all of Gemini's powerful features. We'll explore how to efficiently move between different sections and tools, making your experience smooth and productive. The navigation bar contains several icons, each representing a different Gemini feature. For example, you might see icons for chat, image generation, or code assistance. Simply click on an icon to instantly switch to that function. Some navigation bars also include a search bar, allowing you to quickly find specific tools or past conversations without extensive scrolling. Did you know you can personalize your Gemini navigation bar? Many users find it helpful to pin their most frequently used tools directly to the bar for one-click access. You can also adjust settings to hide less used items, decluttering your interface. This customization helps streamline your workflow, ensuring that your favorite features are always just a glance and a click away, tailored to your needs. For power users, mastering keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your Gemini navigation. Look for common shortcuts like Ctrl+K for search or specific key combinations to jump between sections. Additionally, learn how to effectively manage multiple active Gemini sessions, if applicable, and explore how Gemini integrates seamlessly with other Google services, enhancing your overall productivity across platforms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.